let's try on some summer clothing. I have gone through my everyday clothing, my activewear, and now we're gonna go through my summer clothing, and I'm so excited. I want to purchase some new pieces that are going to fit me, fit my style, be comfortable, and I want to go through the pieces that I have now so I know what I need for the summer and what I don't need. In this video, I'm going to try everything on, and we're going to kind of see what I'm going to keep and not keep. I have no goals. Like, if I get rid of everything, I get rid of everything. If I keep everything, I keep everything, but I'm just gonna try everything on and declutter anything I don't need. In another video, we're actually going to reorganize all of my clothing, and in another video, I'm gonna be trying on swimsuits. So anyway, if you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe, and let's get into trying on some summer clothing. I'm really excited about this. Piece number one, my mom gave me this. I think it was like one of my sisters to wear like as a sleeping top or something, but I put it in here because it's a tank top and I like the color. I think I'll keep it as just like a sleeping shirt or a lounging shirt, but I do want to get something really colorful, nice and blue, because I do really like this. This is making me so excited for summer already, so I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna move it to like my loungewear section. I want to make like closet organizers where it says like pants, dresses, loungewear. I think that'd be fun. So anyway, let's get into the next item. Okay, if you didn't watch my activewear video, I did mention that my body has changed a bit since last year, just because I'm not going to the gym. I'm just doing like at-home workouts, and this dress is fitting me so much better than it did previously. Like, it's actually staying up now, which is nice. So it goes like right above the knee. It is tight, but it's not too tight. I'm gonna keep it because I'm so excited to wear this now. Before, it was always like the straps were falling down. It was always too big in the front and it just didn't fit me, but it fits me and I'm excited. See, body change isn't always a bad thing. It's really not. So let's get into something else. I think rompers are gonna be in this year. Maybe they've always been in, but this year especially, they're gonna be in. And this is an extra small from Maurice's. This is an extra small from Maurice's, and I'm loving it. So it goes into like pants, and here's the crazy part. It's not too long. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm really excited because it actually fits. It fits me. So I'm going to keep this number because I'm gonna be wearing it a ton. Outfit number two. This was my sister's and I really, really like it. I think you can either wear it on your shoulders or off your shoulders. The only thing is if I raise my arms, this will come up. So I think I'll just like put a stitch in it so it won't move. But I really, really like this top. If you're new here, probably 80% of the pieces are from my sisters. We trade clothing all the time. So anyway, yeah, we trade clothing all the time. I have two sisters, one that is like 3 years younger than me, and another one, I think she's 9 years younger than me. I'm the oldest, but anyway, we're all different heights and body shapes, and we're all in different phases of our life, and we all trade clothing. So I'm gonna keep this top because I do really like it. The shorts are actually from Fashion Nova, which I bought like 3 years ago, and I really like them. They are see-through, so I do want to make sure to get another pair of like flowy shorts, just because I can't always wear these like out in public, especially if I'm wearing like a really bright pair of underwear. But I am going to keep these because they are so nice and they are so comfortable. So I do want to make sure to add one pair of flowy shorts to my summer list. But even this outfit, it's just like, it is just so cute. I don't know, I feel like I'm going to be going for really frilly, loose-fitting, comfortable clothing during the summer. Okay, so I think I'm going to keep this shirt and get a bralette because I think that's how I would wear it. It's nice and loose, and I think with the right bralette, it would look really good because I do really like it. It's not like overly long, but it's not like too short, you know? So I'm gonna keep the top. The shorts, I feel like for me, for my comfort style, The waistband is a little tight. They're just too tight. I'm not into like short and tight things. Even though this outfit's really cute, I think they're just too small. So we're going to declutter these shorts and keep the top. This is like my signature outfit for the past 3 years. And I don't know how I'm feeling about this now. I like the top. I just feel like for the past 3 to 5 years, I was so into stripes, where now I don't mind floral, I don't mind prints, I don't mind ruffles, and it just kind of feels tight. But I do like the fit and I like the style. So I think I'm gonna keep the top, and my shorts again are from Fashion Nova, which I will keep because they're like the same as the pink ones, but they're in black. So I'll show you the full outfit. It's a pretty tight top, but I think I can make it work for like another year. There's a skirt from Dynamite I really want, and it's full price, it's not on sale. And I think this would look really good with it. So anyway, I'm gonna keep it. And I'll show you the shorts quickly. And then the shorts are just like the flowy, like paper bag type shorts. You know, nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. So I am going to keep these two pieces. I have had this for so long, and every time I put this on, it makes me feel like a teenager. It makes me feel young because it's just this like flowy little dress. I absolutely love the top of it, and it still fits me, and I really like it, so I'm going to keep it. But I do want to get longer dresses because I can't wear this out all the time. Like, I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing it like to do groceries all the time or to walk my dog all the time or anything like that. So I do want to make sure that I get longer dresses. But to show you the full thing, you've probably seen it because I wear it all the time, but here we go. So it's just really cute. It goes right above the knees, which is nice, but I do want to get a longer one. So I'm gonna keep this. This is gonna be a really great like at-home dress, or when I want to film something, or just if it's really super hot out, this would be a nice dress for it. It's just a comfortable dress, and at least I have like a little cute short dress, and if I want to buy dresses, I can buy longer ones, which is gonna be really nice. I love this top. I love this top so much. Like, I love it a ton. I never wore it enough, just because whenever I'd wear it, it wouldn't feel like myself, but when I wear it now, yeah, like I can't wait to wear this in the summer. It's so nice and light. It is so flowy. I just need a bralette, so definitely adding bralette, long dress, that skirt, and a pair of flowy shorts to my summer list. But like, yeah, I still really love this. So these shorts are from Garage, and they are 3 years old at this point. If I could get all of my jeans, all of my shorts in this cut, I would. And what I like is you can roll up or you can roll them down, and they still fit me. So I'm gonna keep them. There's no point in me getting a new pair of jean shorts if these actually fit, and they're a nice length, and they have pockets. I don't think I would wear this together. Like, do I keep it? Do I not keep it? Well, here's the thing. I had said that I wanted to get like a nice blue tank top, but I might as well just keep this because it's blue, it fits me, and it looks nice, and it's comfortable. This one's a little bit tighter. This one's a little bit more loose. I'm gonna keep them both because I do wear them both. This isn't my favorite one, but I don't have to buy anything blue because I have a blue top. So saving money, and it works. I don't know. I used to really like it, but I'm just not like feeling it anymore. You know what? I think that this, I don't know, because it just looks like, kind of looks a little odd right here, because there's nothing that goes down. So this one is a no. This one I'll declutter because it's just not like, it's just not working for me. Like, it just doesn't, no. See, this I would definitely keep before the other one. I love velvet a ton. I love gray. All I need is a bralette and I'm good to go. I'm excited for this. I can't wait to wear this in the summer. I've had this top for years and the tags are still on it. It's just like, it's a nice top. I just don't know if I would like actually wear it. Then I have my pants, which I want to keep because I really, really like them. They're like bold, they're nice, and they're really, really comfortable. So I'm gonna keep them. So the thing is, this romper I actually got from Dynamite, and a couple months ago it was a tad tight, but it is feeling a lot better. So I'm definitely going to keep this romper. I love it. It ties in the front. It's super, super cute. It goes right to my ankles. I feel so just comfortable in it and I can't wait to wear this. Definitely keeping my favorite romper. After going through all of my clothing, I've decided that I'm going to let go of these shorts because they were too small. I am going to let go of this top actually because I just have so many other tops that fit and I can get that will fit, and it's just a tad tight and I don't need that many stripes. I'm also going to let go of this ruffle top, which we talked about, and also this Le Chateau top. It's brand new, it's got the tag on it. I've paid over $50 for this top and I never wore it. Super cute, but it's just a tad too tight. I just don't want clothing that is too tight. I want it to be comfortable and flowy, and this is probably the tightest thing that I currently have in my collection, but I'm keeping it because it makes me feel good and I really, really like it. It's still a tad tight, but I know I'm gonna wear it. Like if I'm wearing it for photos, if I'm wearing it just to go to the grocery store, or if I'm gonna wear it even just to take my dog for a walk or something, I know that I will wear this. So I'm going to let go of a few other pieces so that I don't have too many things that are too tight and not my style. So this I know I'm gonna wear. I know I'm gonna wear everything else. If you want to see me organize my closet, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I upload next. I am going to be purchasing a few more pieces for my wardrobe for the summer, but I feel like I am pretty set with clothing, but I do want a few other pieces, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see those hauls, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.